Basically, how to clone your Shopify store, you will need to export your CSV files from your Shopify admin to back up your store information. And you will need to do the combination of CSV files with other data, for example, a copy of your theme to create a backup or duplicate of your store. And yeah, the thing you will need to do is use CSV files. So to duplicate a store, you will need to first log into both stores as the store owner. Make sure that the new store is on the same subscription plan as the original store. Then select the same theme in the new store or upload a theme file from your computer. Then export your CSV files. CSV files are the files that have the main data from your original store, such as the products and the customers. Then prepare your product media for export. Import the CSV files for your products and customers from the products, and etc etc. And yeah, reinstall your apps. Manually reconfigure your store settings, for example, taxes, shipping, checkout, delivery address, payments. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how you can easily create a store, or basically clone a store for backup options. So thank you for watching this until the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.